Our topic today, Japan schools.
Oh my god, it's very difficult. Thank you for coming.
Welcome to Osaka.
They came to pick me up from the station. Green Dizer, a dinosaur. Check out their house. This is the most famous house in the region. This is just an ordinary house. This one is special. It's very special. Imagine inviting a guest and they see this sight. It's amazing. It's special and unusual. I don't know how I got to know them. Someone introduced them to me. I want to thank them so much. They will host me, maybe more than one night. But I want to show you how Japanese people live, how the locals live.
So is this your house?
Yes.
Wow, you make it so unique. It's
Yes.
so nice.
My husband did everything.
Everyone knows the house?
I think so.
Usually when they come for the first time, the reaction usually.
What? At first, that my daughter and I making the famous animation characters just for fun, not to decorate. But my daughter made Doraemon, and Doraemon was much better than what I thought. She did really good. So I decided to put it in the front of the house during the Christmas time. And we put more stuff, and all those objects become bigger and bigger, and eventually, like
It's end up like this. There is no space, right?
no space. So I couldn't stop. I kept going, kept going.
He's the chef. How about you? Where are you, Logan Paul? Yeah. So this is how Japanese live. Like this.
Another day.
So I'm gonna go to Japanese school tomorrow, and I will be back to school, but this time in Japan. I'm gonna attend one of your class, right?
So I'm going to attend a class here with Japanese kids and check out their classes. We saw how they eat inside their houses. Now we'll see these perfect schools that we've heard of. What's the secret? We'll try to find out tomorrow. Before we start, hit like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Let's try to reach 4 million.
かわいいよ。あ、美味しそう。わあ、美味しそう。すごーい。
すごい. Today we are going to school.
School.
We're going to school.
Hooray! Happy, happy. Joki birthday. Nani chukura. Nani chukura.
Bye bye.
はい、じゃあ今。
Bye bye. Why they are wearing like this?
For lunch preparation.
For lunch.
Hi, Joseph. Nice to meet you. ご相談なんで。
Japanese schools are amazing.
School hospital.
School hospital.
So she's a nurse.
Nurse.
Nice to meet you. So if I have stomach problems, I come here.
お腹痛かったらここ来ていいです
Yes,
か
yes.
They have a small clinic in the school.
Shoes, everyone has to put shoes here.
Should change.
Change. Everyone.
so you have to take off your shoes and wear another one. They provide shoes for school. So every student, once they start in school, they have to plant something. And when the semester ends,
He take it with him to home after finish semester.
it's like telling you, what did you harvest? You have to take care of it every day to grow.
This is tomato, right?
Tomato.
Everyone plants something here.
以上前ですね。
生活科 means life, learning life.
Learning life.
There's a subject called learning life, and this is one of the things they learn.
First grade, second grade.
There's food smell.
Yes. Yeah.
They eating?
Middle school learners eating now. It's time for food. I don't want to interrupt.
This is the food. So everyone will get
Today's menu.
Their lunch every day. Tuna, rice, vegetables, and milk.
Oh, they have a menu.
They pay monthly for their lunch here. This ringtone means class is in session. How sweet.
So during the war, school bell was like bell, noisy. It also means bombs.
Bomb coming.
Coming. So it stopped. After the war, new bell started.
So they play this music because the bell in which they hit the drums in World War II, when they threw the bomb, everyone who hears it will remember that war. It means there's war. Everyone hides and runs. That's why they use this music and not hitting the drums or that bell that's annoying.
Konnichiwa! You're a teacher? And you eat with the student? You eat now with student.
She eats with the students.
まだなんか言えよ。
元気元気。
Hello.
Okay, now lunchtime is over. Now what they will do is they'll go play in the yard. After that, they'll mop all this. They'll clean the whole school. It means there are no janitors here. It's the students themselves who clean. They learn this in the first grade.
Where they are going?
After they finish lunch, they take back the plates to the kitchen. So they have a principle. After eating lunch, they won't instantly study. They play. They give them a chance to play, get some energy, and get back to studying.
So, cleaning is not only for place, but also their hearts.
The cleaning is for her.
hearts.
To clean their hearts. That's why they teach them to clean the school. Solidarity and brotherhood from childhood. They learn that being together,
It's having fun and clean the school together. Why not?
they teach you to clean the house. Why are the streets clean?
So this is the reason why Japan outside is so clean, the street, because actually the kids, they know they should not throw things outside, right?
ですね。サッカーのワールドカップとかで
We have revealed the secret, good principles. We learned them in Khawatir series back in the day. Now we see it with our own eyes.
I'm a student. Okay, teacher, let's start. I wanna study. Okay. Thank you.
Whoever finishes first wins. 7 plus 7, how much?
We start?
Write your name.
This is mine.
Focus on yours. Focus on your papers, everybody. Let's start.
12秒。16秒。17秒。Oh my god, it's very difficult.
7 plus 7 equals 14.
She's very fast. She's so fast. He's so slow. He finished also.
I am so slow counting with my fingers.
2 minutes, 2 minutes and 22 seconds.
22.
You're late, bro.
They're very intelligent and so fast at math. I hate this subject.
They're gonna check your answer. You're correct.
13.
They're correcting me.
15. 15. Okay.
No mistake so far.
There is any like bad student here?
No.
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 No bad student. The almost perfect school. Stand up.
Yes.